Today I'm unboxing and building the LiberNovo Ergonomic chair to see how it fits in my work from home setup. I'll show you what comes in the box, how easy it is to assemble, and my honest first impressions once it's built. Quick disclosure before we start, LiberNovo sent me over this chair to check out, and there will be an affiliate link in the description. Let's get this thing out of the box. Now the first thing I'm looking for is how well everything is packaged and whether the parts are easy to identify. With office chairs, a good unboxing experience makes a big difference because you don't want to spend half the time trying to figure out which screw goes where. So I'm going to lay everything out first, check the instructions, and make sure all the major pieces are here before I start building. Let's do a quick parts check. We've got the base, the seat, the backrest, the armrest, the wheels, and the hardware. The goal here is to see if everything feels like a one-person build or if I'm gonna need help. I'm also paying special attention to the fit and the finish of the parts because that usually gives you a good idea of what the final chair will feel like. All right, the chair is assembled and this is my first time actually sitting in it. Right now, I'm paying attention to the seat comfort, the back support, and just how naturally it feels before I start making any fine-tune adjustments. First impressions matter here because this is the moment when you can tell if a chair feels supportive or if it needs a lot of tweaking. So far, it already feels like a huge upgrade from my old chair. LiberNovo also provided a footrest, and before I move everything into my home studio, I want to show it with the chair here. And this gives you a better look at the chair and the footrest together. Remember, ergonomics is not about the chair itself. It's also about how your whole setup supports your body, and a footrest can help. One way it can help is it makes your seated position feel more natural, especially if your feet do not sit perfectly flat on the floor at your desk. Now, I've moved the chair and footrest into my home studio because this is where I'll actually use it day to day. And this is where the setup has really proved itself. Sitting in it for a few seconds is one thing, but I want to see how it feels on a real work day. So I'm going to use it at my desk for editing, writing, and general computer work. The thing I'm watching for here is whether my shoulders feel relaxed, whether my back feels supported, and whether the chair, armrest, desk height, and footrest all work together naturally. After building it and spending some time, my first impression is that this feels like a serious upgrade from my basic office chair. And what stands out most so far is the adjustability and the comfort. You could really dial in the adjustments for the ultimate fit. Personally, I recommend that you follow the provided guide to help it determine the best settings. And that's what I use to familiarize myself with all of these adjustments. And you gotta remember, this is still a first impression video, so I'm gonna need more time with it to comment on the long-term comfort, but the initial setup so far has been phenomenal. I can recline in it and take a quick nap at my desk when I'm feeling tired. So I think this chair makes most sense for people who spend long hours at a desk, someone like myself. That could be creators, remote workers, students, gamers, or anyone who wants a supportive setup at home. As always, comfort is personal, so your height, your weight, your desk height, and your preferred sitting positions all matter. But if you're building a better workspace, the chair is one of the pieces that can make a noticeable difference. Well folks, that's my unboxing, assembly, and first look at the LiberNovo Ergonomic chair. I'll put a LiberNovo affiliate link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you have any questions about the chair, be sure to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them after I spent more time using it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.